Y'all know me and TikTok, right? First off, I'm in my zone on, so y'all bear with me. Me and TikTok, we have a love relationship. And on TikTok, I actually, it was really quick. She did hers really quick. And I'm doing a quick version of it, but I'm going to give a little bit more information on what I did and how excited I'm going to be to get this done. So what you want to do is you start with your tumbler. Whatever color tumbler you're going to start with, you start with your tumbler. I started with, this is a Dope and Crafty tumbler. It's a 20-ounce tumbler. It's silver. And what I did was I spray painted it white, and then I went over it with some Creatology glitter, just like a white. I don't remember. They don't really have names on theirs, or maybe they do. Hold on, what's this one? No, see, it doesn't really say. So, but it's like a white. It's a white shimmery glitter. It's so freaking pretty, right? So I did the tumbler and the top, right? Listen, I have never loved cows so much as I do with the thought of this tumbler. And I pray it comes out cute. You guys don't understand, because I'm thinking it could be like a gag gift, or it could just be a gift for somebody who freaking just... Sorry. He has something to say. A gift for somebody who just loves cows, or somebody who called himself a cow, or whatever, right? It could just be whatever. So you get your alcohol ink, right? I'm using caramel, the color caramel. I got a 3-pack from Michael's for like whatever. And then you just find the spot, right? And you make like little cow spots. Let me make this one all together. The cows have like, oh my goodness. I love how it does. Oh my goodness. Now you could do this with different colors. I'm just doing this to make it a cow tumbler. Right? I freaking love this so much, y'all. Y'all don't understand. So just know this is definitely going to be a new style of cup that's going to come to the site. Do y'all see this? This is so stinking cute. So stinking cute. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Look at it. Now, these ones I probably did a little close together, but it's okay. You just... Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Where can I put another? Let's make this one a little bit bigger. Right? And it like just spreads throughout the glitter. I did it on the bottom. This is so stinking cute. And then I am going to still do the top. So hold on. Right? I'm just so in love with this. I'm just so in love with this. I just want to make sure I got it where I want it, right? I think that's good. Cows have spots, but they don't have a lot of spots, right? So I don't want to do too much. What's that? What's today? It's Tuesday, right? I thought it was the girl coming to clean our yard, but I'm like, she shouldn't be here. I don't know who in my backyard. Should I put one right here? Nah, I think that's good. It gives me the look I'm going for. I don't know why I'm so excited about this, y'all. This is crazy. But same thing, right? You have your... So I did 3 coats of the white glitter. 3 coats of the white glitter with Mod Podge. I did not seal it the last time with Mod Podge. That is what I think is important to know. The last coat I didn't seal I don't know if she did or not. I can't really say. I don't remember her name, but oh my God, I'm so excited. So then you do the same. You do the same for your top. You just make it a cow. Y'all don't talk about my focus face, because I know I probably look crazy, right? Y'all, I don't know why. I love doing this, y'all. I freaking love doing this. Y'all don't understand. I freaking love doing this. So now I have made a cow tumbler. Take this down to the side. Put this right in here, just right there. Yo, I'm so happy about this. There we go, and that's it. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. I'm a cow. So like, if I'm breastfeeding, and somebody brought me a cup that said, bitch, I'm a cow, I'm going to die laughing. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. That would be the funniest gag gift I have ever received in my life. Do you understand me? Look, I love it. If don't nobody else buy it, it's cool, because I'm going to use it. And well, I ain't going to be breastfeeding, but bitch, I'm a cow. Like, what the fuck? Anyway, I didn't want nothing. I was just so excited to see this cup on TikTok and be open to trying it. So I'm going to show y'all now that this tumbler has kind of set. I'm going to come back and show y'all once I put the decal on it and have it sitting in resin. I can't wait. Y'all, this cup is... Bitch, I'm a cow. This is the TikTok tumbler, right? I found my decal. I didn't go with the bitch, I'm a cow. I actually went with something a little bit more reserved. It says, sorry, I'm a bit moody today. I thought it was super cute. And it's a cow. I mean, the actual vinyl is like cow label. I don't know what you call it, but like, it was really cute for me. And I figured, while me and my girls might have that sense of humor, or me and my family and friends might have that sense of humor, not everybody gonna have that sense of humor. But I promise you, I'm gonna do another one of these tumblers, and it's gonna say, ish, I'm a cow. Period. And I'm gonna give it to somebody who's breastfeeding, and they know that it's just a joke and it's a gag gift. But yeah, so this is what I went with. I really, really, really like the outcome of this cup, y'all. Like, this cup is just bomb. It's just bomb. I can't even sit here and hold y'all to it. It's just bomb. I did the top to match. And it comes with, as all of my tumblers, comes with a stainless steel straw. It can also come with the, I'm trying to remember. It can also come with like a sturdy plastic straw. I get all of my skinny tumblers. Sorry. These tumblers, the skinny tumblers, these are from Dope and Crafty. That's where I got these. I got the glitter and the alcohol ink that I use for the spots. I think we use caramel. And I got those from Michael's. The white, yeah, from Michael's. So the white glitter I got, it doesn't have a name on, it doesn't have a name, so I don't know what the color. It's just a white pearlescent, iridescent style glitter. And then the brown is caramel alcohol ink. No, it's not one of these. It comes in like a little thing like this. As y'all saw, I mean, y'all saw the whole process, right? But like, and then the stencil I actually got off of Etsy. I don't remember her store. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. I can't remember her store. But I just found it on Etsy, and it just grabbed my attention, so I said I had to get it. So this is what it came out like. I'm gonna put a video at the end so you guys can really see the magnificence of this cup, because it's bomb. It really is. I'm really happy with the outcome. If you want to order this cup, it is on my website, www. I didn't bust myself in the neck. Oceanishviews.com. I'm probably going to be running a sale this week. I might be running a sale this week on all of my tumblers, even these. These are ready to ship. They're all actively. Oh, let me put. Well, no, because I'm gonna keep this baby in a box. Just joking. They're all actively available to order on the website, ready to ship. You just gotta tell, if you want to personalize them, it will take another couple of days to personalize, put your name on it. But other than that, they are ready to hit the road. So go get you one, order your cup. If you love cows or don't, you just be moody sometimes. This your cup. Go get it. So again, it's on my website, www.oceanishviews.com. If you follow me on Instagram, it's Oceanish Creations. If you follow me on Instagram, that's where you're going to find all of the information on any sales, any free shipping, anything like that. I'm probably going to do a sale this week. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you might want to go head on over there and follow me. As well as if you do not, or if you're new to this channel, I hope that you will return and come back and see more beautiful creations that I can come up with. My next idea, I don't even know where I got it from. I'm probably seen it somewhere, and y'all see me. I love this cup. It's so smooth. I'm sorry, I'm sitting here like, ooh, there's nothing there. My next idea is going to be off the wall. I'm really excited about it. So I hope that y'all tune in next time. I'm probably going to be, oh, y'all saw that. Put her in her bubble. I'm probably going to be doing that in the next couple of days and making sure that video drops out. So y'all make sure y'all return. The baby is on his way to say his final goodbyes, because y'all know he got to say his goodbye. Come on. You ready to say bye-bye? Come here. Hold on. Say bye-bye.
Hey friends, a little TikTok etiquette here. After you're done watching your friend's video, fully to the end, don't forget to hit the share button and then hit copy link. This will tell TikTok that our videos are worth pushing, and that will help grow our small accounts. So let's help each other out.